Hello everyone, kumusta? For today's video, let's talk about kaning kinabuhi. It's life. Ang life manggod kay kanang mura siya roller coaster ba? Sometimes kay okay, sometimes kay okay. Sometimes kay dili pod, no? Ingon ana ka unique in ana ka dynamic ang kinabuhi. So kitang tao kinahanglan sa ta kamao unsaon nato siya pag-address, unsaon nato siya pag-handle. Mura bitaw ka nang nag-drive ta ba, kinahanglan ta mo change sometimes of gear. Mag first gear ba ta, mag second gear ba ta, depende unsa katungason. So kay tungason kaayo ang karsada, kinahanglan kita mo low down sa tong gear. So hinay lang, pero ayog urong. Kay urong ta maatras man ta. So mo nang kinahanglan lang gid ta consistent, paalag unsa siya katangason but consistent. And I know life is not easy. Life is not going to be the same life yesterday. Basta maning kamot na ta. Just keep on fighting, keep on praying, and keep on moving. Thanks everyone.